semifinals. First time for Group 22 Traveling Tours. Number 20, the lightest. Number 2, the Chanova. Number 18, Malbas. Number 6, Persodigan. And number 9, Ayungao. For Rapsarano Studios, number 15, Santos. Number 6, Ganson. Number 1, Tuano. Number 10, Li-Fi. And number 7, Cameron. Officials for tonight is Stuart and Kuya Ryan.
Oh yeah.
First possession, Route 22 Traveling Tours is Chanova for 2. Angel Chanova, 2-pointer. JD for 3, another rebound. Li-Fi, I think it's fouled by number 2, Chanova. First personal foul, first team foul on AJ Chanova. Two free throws will be given to Li-Fi. First free throw is good for Li-Fi. Two out of 2 for Justin Li-Fi. Side ball in. The Lighters run this, no good. Rebound, Li-Fi. Santos to Cameron. Cameron overshoots. Rebound, Li-Fi. Li-Fi to the puta. Chanova. He's daylight. It's Chanova to Galaitas. Jumper. No good. Rebound. Ends up in Cameron. Cameron drives. Overshoots. Rebound for Savigan. For Savigan to Chanova. Chanova. The top jumper. Short. Rebound Li-Fi. Li-Fi. Stop there to the basket. I think it's fouled by Galaitas. Foul on number 20. Mark Galaitas. First personal foul. Second team foul. Tuano from deep. Yes, sir! 3-pointer is good for Justin Tuano. Pass. Too high. Intended for Galaitas. Rebound Tuano. Tuano to Li-Fi. Shoulder the layup. He gets his own rebound. Rebound and put back for Li-Fi. 9-2 is the score. 7-2 run by Rapsarano Studios. Galaitas. Screen by Ayungao. Malbas. Driving baseline. Malbas drives. No good. Rebound in substitute. Galaitas shot by the nation. Shot block. Didn't touch the ring. It only hit the backboard, not the ring. The backboard, not the ring. Did it touch the ring? No, it touched the backboard, not the ring. So shot clock violation for Group 22 Traveling Tours. Tuano to Ganson. Ganson to Cameron. Li-Fi to Cameron. Baseline jumper. No good. Rebound Li-Fi. Li-Fi inside. Put back is good. 11-2 is the score in favor of Rapsarano Studios. What a rally by Rapsarano Studios. AJ to Galaitas. Galaitas guarded by Cameron. AJ for 3 is good. 3-pointer is good for Chanova. 11-5 is the score in favor of Rapsarano Studios. Tuano to JD. Wide open play. Makes the play. Time out left. Time out. Time out. Route 22 Traveling Tours. 5 minutes and 45 remaining in the first quarter. Okay, back to the ball game. This is the second game of our quarterfinals. Knockout rounds between Route 22 Travel and Tours and Rap Serrano Studio. Winner of this ball game will face Fish Mortgages next week. Loser will end their season. For Sobigan from deep, too strong. Rebound, JD Santos. Santos. Transition way back to the play for JD Santos. And the lead. 17-5 is the score. 17-5. Malbas. Traveling violation committed by Route 22 represent Malbas. 17-5 is the score in favor of Rap Serrano Studio. Light by off the pass of MJ Ganson, 2 points on his head. The lead is 14 for Rap Serrano Studio. The light is wide to the light score. The lead is 12. Cameron to Santos to Light by to MJ Ganson. Denied by the Lightness. Rebound Echanova. Forward pass to Sabigan. To Samson. Samson to Sabigan. Long 2. No good rebound. Pushing foul on number 10. Live-by sub. Live-by first personal foul. First team foul. Substitution for Sabigan for Mitante. The Lightness from deep. Short rebound, Light-by. Santos to Tuanyo. Tuanyo looking for a teammate. To Ganson. Tuanyo from deep. Short rebound, Malbas to Samson. Samson sees daylight. Comes it up to the Mitante. He will be fouled by Light-by. Number 10, second personal foul, second team foul. 2 free throws will be awarded to Arman Mitante. First free throw is still good for Arman. Second one is no good, so free throw violation for Route 22. It's still a 12-point game. Santos Tuanyo, fires that deep. Yes, sir! 3 points on his good for Justin Tuanyo. Everything is falling for Rap Serrano Studio. AJ will answer. Yes, sir! AJ answered in his own version of play. The lead is 12. Rap Serrano up by 12. Stolen by Malbas. Counter steal by Tuanyo. Lifting violation committed also is foul. Lifting violation. Turnover for Rap Serrano. Mitante to Echanova. Echanova from deep. Short. Last touch on the lightest. 16 seconds differential between shot clock and game clock. 2-for-1 separation for Roxanne Studios. Ganson for Icon. Basta ko, ref.
Foul 13,
Foul
holding.
number 13, Natante. First personal foul, 13 foul. Sideline going for Roxanne Studios. Shot clock is off. Shot clock is off. Santos, guarded by Natante. Santos to Ganson. Last 6 seconds. 5 seconds. MJ with a hit and MJ will score! MJ Ganson to beat the buzzer for Roxanne Studios. Official score at the end of the first quarter, 24 for Roxanne Studios. 10 for Route 22 Travel and Tours. Roxanne Studios looking for a payback. This is the rematch from last week. They don't want the same result from last week.
The new Lost Basketball League is back, bringing you highly anticipated Lunar Care Champion Series 2026. 8 teams, 1 goal. Lunar Brothers, Zero. Carry the crown. Hold the championship. The battle begins now. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get
Second quarter possession belongs to Roxanne Studios. Sorry. Yeah, so second quarter possession belongs to Route 22. Sorry. Okay, sorry, my bad. Second quarter possession belongs to Roxanne Studios. Canada from them to the basket, whatever to do. The lead is 16 for Roxanne Studios. Echanova against Laifa. Tometante. Traveling violation committed by Natante. Turnover for Roxanne Studios. What went right last week seems everything is wrong for Route 22 today. This is a rematch from last week. Ganson against Echanova. Pass to Li-Fi inside, give it go, no good. Last touch on Li-Fi. Possession, Route 22. Route 22 down big. They're down by 16 points. The light is to Natante. Natante to Echanova. Fishing exhibition. Foul number 1 for Anyo. First personal foul, first team foul. Veteran move for Echanova. Exploiting the mismatch. So 2 free throws will be given to AJ Echanova. His team is down by 16 points after a slow start. First free throw is no good for Echanova. Route 22 won the game last week against Roxanne Studios. It seems it's hard to duplicate or replicate that win from last week. 1 out of 2 for Echanova. 26-11 is the score. Li-Fi sees an opening. Left layup, towards rebound, Balbas pushing up the pace, drops it up to Natante. Wild shot is good for Natante. Here comes Route 22. What's the call, Red? Unsportsmanlike foul. Unsportsmanlike foul is the ball on the lighter. Second personal foul. First team foul, so grabbing the t-shirt of Tuano. The foul was upgraded to a sportsmanlike foul. So 2 free throws plus ball possession for Roxanne Studios. The lead is 13 for Roxanne. 2 free throws for Justin Tuanyo. First free throw is good for Justin. 2 out of 2 for Justin Tuanyo. And possession will remain with Roxy Ramos Studios. Santos Balimbang for Roxy Ramos. To Cameron, guarded by Samson. Santos guarded by Yutante. Loses the handle. Turnover for Roxy Ramos Studios. Great defense by Route 22. Courtesy of Yutante. Forcing that turnover. The ladies 15. Route 22 down by 15. Helchanova, guarded by Laifa. To Metante. Metante. To Galaites. Galaites, baseline jumper, money! The lead is 13. 28-15 is the score. Santos. Hounded by Yutante. Tunaipa, uses the handle. Possession remains with Roxy Ramos Studios. 7 on their shot clock. 7 seconds to shoot. Laifa to Cameron. Cameron running baseline. Pass to MJ. 2 seconds to shoot. That's all with the heat. Shot clock violation rep. Shot clock violation by Roxy Ramos. Time out, rep. Time out. Time out. Roxy Ramos Studios. 5 minutes and 22 remaining in the second quarter.
Get ready for another season of Global Basketball action. This is where ballers keep the winning tradition alive. Because we are the Red Gold North. The Northern Phillies Basketball League is back. Bringing you anticipated Lunar Care Champions Series 2026. 18
Last week.
Okay, back to the ball game. 28-15 is the score. 4 minutes and 36 in the second quarter. Route 22 traveling tours find themselves in a big hole. 13-point lead by Roxy Ramos Studios. Metante to Echanova. No good for the 43, rebound and pass. Fresh 14 for the Blues. Malbas to Galaites. Galaites, napunta kay Trey. In out. Rebound Cameron. Cameron took away. Stolen by Metante. Great hands by Metante. Metante finds Dave Johnson in the opening, but it gets fouled. Foul number 7, Cameron. Cameron, first personal foul, second team foul. Sorry, miss for Samson, the wide open layup, but he will be shooting 2 free throws for Route 22. First free throw is good for Marvin. I think the lead to 12 for the Blue Shirts. Two out of 3. He steps out of bounds. Stepping in the line. Was the basket good? Basket count? Nullified. The basket doesn't count. So free throw violation for the Blue Shirt. The second free throw of Marvin is nullified. So still a 16 score for Route 22. Anaran with the ball. To Santos. Santos to Laifa. Laifa again with Chanova. The spin. Denied by Marvin. Rebound to Chanova. Chanova to Marvin. Marvin lays it up. Lays it in. 10-point game in favor of Roxy Ramos Studios. MJ to Laifa. To Tuanyo. Tuanyo, guarded by Galaites. Tuanyo, pass intercepted by Samson. Samson up to the races. Samson drives. to Li-Fi. Santos wide open play short. Rebound to Li-Fi. Li-Fi for the shot. He gets fouled. He's going to the line for an and one. Foul is on route 22. Number 23, Marvin Sampson, first personal foul, 17 foul. Chance for an and one for Jasper Li-Fi. Bonus free throw is good for Li-Fi. 31-18 is the score. Nechanova, one shot, no good rebound. Good zone. To Cameron. Cameron running baseline. To JD. Santos spans the board. When it rains, it pours. For Rob Serrano Studio. The lead is 16 for Rob Serrano Studio. Kalaites to Nechanova. Nechanova gets the board play. His own version of the play. 13-point game. Ganson to Tuan. 17 seconds differential between shot line and game clock. Tuano! Step up three is good! Kalaites to Nechanova. Nechanova, same spot. Different the zone, rebound by Cameron. Foul is on number 7. Cameron, first foul. Foul is on Cameron. Second personal foul, third team foul. Last 5 seconds. The line is Malvas, 2 seconds. Malvas to beat the basket in the third. That's the end of the first half. Official score 37 for Rob Serrano Studios and 21 for Route 22 Traveling Tours.
This is where ballers keep the winning tradition alive. Because
Tissue.
bringing it to the newly care champions since 2026.
I was on my phone, but like, I don't have time to leave. Okay, how much time do I have? How much time do I have? How much time do I have before this?
You won't make it.
Okay, back to the ball game. We're heading to the second half of the second quarterfinals knockout rounds matchup between Rob Serrano Studios and Route 22. Third quarter possession belongs to Route 22. They're down by 16. 37-21 is the score. Malvas to Samson. Samson to Galaites. Galaites overshoots, rebound Li-Fi. Li-Fi to Cameron. Cameron to Al-Kaabi. Al-Kaabi to Li-Fi. Li-Fi from Al-Kaabi. Al-Kaabi from deep. No good, rebound to Nechanova. Marvin. From that basket, he will be fouled. Blocking foul on Rob Serrano Studios, number 6. Thank you, Ref. Ganson, first personal foul, first team foul. Marvin Sampson will shoot 2 free throws for Route 22. First free throw is good for Marvin. 1 out of 2 for Marvin. Lane violation committed by Roxanne Studios. So one more free throw will be given to Marvin. Third free throw is good for Marvin. 27-23 is the score. What's the call there? Foul is on number 2, AJ Ochanova. Second personal foul, first team foul on route 22. Live fight. So Tuano. High five, from back to the basket for number 2. Next up, Metante, from back to the basket. All the way for 2 points. Tuano. Pass to the swinging Ganson. To Cameron. Short. On the train, rebound. Samson. To Echanova. Transition 3. No good. Rebound Cameron. Over the back foul is the ball of the referee on number 7. Substitution left. Sub-rep. Cameron, third personal foul. Second team foul. Substitution left. Tuano for Santos. Metante for Porsovigan. 14 on the shot clock for route 22. Samson with the ball. Samson. Luis Daniel. To Echanova. Bends the corner play. 39-28 is the score in favor of Roxanne Studio. Santos, the answer. Yes, sir! Jamie Santos in the half hands. Lead is 14. Malbas. Jumper. No good. Last touch on Cameron. Fresh 14 for route 22. For Sabigan. To Samson. Echanova from deep. No good. Rebound for Sabigan. For Sabigan to Samson. Spin. No good. Rebound Kelly. Santos. Deflected intercepted. Put away by Echanova. Stop that to the basket. No good. Rebound. Live by to Santos. Wide open for either good rebound. Galaitis drive. Rebound stolen by Ganson. To Live-Fi. No good. Rebound Live-Fi. Take it down. Cookman hard as a foul by Galaitis. Foul number 20, Galaitis. Third personal foul, second team foul. Bonus free throw will be given to Justin Live-Fi. Chance for an end run for Justin Live-Fi in Roxanne Studios. The lead balloon to 16 for Roxanne Studios. Bonus free throw is good for Live-Fi. The lead is 17. Malvas. Songa to the basket. Pushing foul on number 6. Ganson, second personal foul, third team foul. Sideline throw in for the blue shirts. Malvas. To Marvin. Marvin with a Euro. Reverse layup is good. Sweet move for Marvin Samson. Ganson. Running the point for Roxanne Studio. Ganson, stop up play. No good. Rebound for Sabigan. For Sabigan to the ball. For Sabigan to Echanova. Echanova to Malvas. Malvas, one-on-one against Ganson. Pass. Too high intended for Sabigan. What went right last week Li-Fi. Hook committed by pass. Double zero violation committed by Li-Fi. Turnover for Rob Serrano. Great defense for Route 22. The lead is manageable. It's just 15 points. Samson drives. Foul on the floor. Foul number 15. J.D. Santos. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Baseline inbound for Route 22 Travelers. Sino? A timeout! Rob Serrano Studios. 3 minutes and 3 seconds remaining in the third quarter. 15-point game in favor of Rob Serrano Studios.
No. Basketball action. This is where ballers keep the winning tradition alive. Because we are the North. Another for Lost Basketball League is back. Bringing it. Luminacare is proud to be the major sponsor of this season's NBL tournament. Deliver competitive support and personalized care and meaningful.
Hey, back to the ball game. Side right side throwing for the Blues. Hey, Chanova short on the corner three. Rebound. Santos. All right pass to Li-Fi. Li-Fi put away by Galaites. Galaites to Malbas. Malbas. Step up try. Yes, sir! Here comes Route 22 coming to. Santos, guarded by Galaites. Defensive foul, illegal screen on number 7, Cameron. Steven Cameron, fourth personal foul, first team. Penalty kasi. Illegal screen na. Saan ulit? Kanina pa kayo, hindi nagsab eh. Balbas. Once again, step up three, no good. Last touch. Oh, foul number 2. Echanova, sublet. Third personal foul, third team foul. Seconds differential between shot clock and game clock. Li-Fi to Ganson. Ganson dancing with Malbas. One shot, no good. Rebound by Canova. Shot clock is off. Echanova to Santos again. He gets fouled. Galaites with the putback. Fouled by number 1, Justin Tuanyo. Second personal foul penalty. So 2 free throws will be given to Mark Galaites. Chance for Route 22 to move closer. First breakers are good for Mark. The lead is 12 for Rob Serrano Studios. 0 out of 2 for Galaites. Official score 45 for Rob Serrano Studios and 33 for Route 22 Traveling Tour.
Basketball action. This is where ballers keep the winning tradition alive. Because
The winner of this ball game will advance to the semifinals next week, facing Richard Esguerra and Company, Swiss Mortgages. While loser ends their season, they will be sent home packing. Shout out to Christoph Cabral. Shout out to Christoph Cabral. Shout out Christoph. He don't want to play. Christoph doesn't want to play again with BL anymore.
Apat.
Fourth quarter possession belongs to Roxanne Studio. This is the last and final quarter of the second game matchup between Walk away by the turnover by Roxanne Studios. Balbas, this is an opening, strong drive to the basket for NEC2. And the lead is cut down to 10. Samson, grabbing baseline. Grabbing by Malbas. Jumper, no good rebound, Samson. Marvin to the lightest. The lightest, wide open play, no good. Rebound, Marvin. Marvin, good back is good. And the lead is cut down to 8. Here comes the Blue Shirts. What a rally by Hook 22, traveling through. Santos, rounded by Vitante. Santos, deflected, denied by Canova, rebound Samson. Forward pass to Vitante. Shot down to the basket, 22. Time out. Roxanne Studios. What's happening? What a rally by Hook 22, traveling through. Scott Canova to 4. 8 minutes and 20 seconds left. Fourth quarter rally by Hook 22, traveling through. Shout out to Carl Cabral, heading to the semifinals, facing his brother, Josh Cabral, alongside by David White. They will be facing each other next week in the semifinals. Tatlo si Galaites. Back to the ball game. Roxanne called their first timeout. They have one timeout left. Their 16-point lead vanished into Team A and reduced to 4. Cameron, guarded by Marvin, driving baseline. Pass, intercepted by Echanova. Echanova, hesitation move, loses the ball. Missed opportunity for the Blue Shirts. Roxanne dodges a bullet there. On again. Pass deflected. Last touch of the Blue Shirts. Possession remains with Roxanne Studio. They're up by 4. Pass deflected again. Shot clock 18 seconds. 18 seconds to shoot for Roxanne Studio. Sideline throwing for Roxanne Studio. Santos to the community lifeline for NEC2. 2-point is good for lifeline. 47. Fourth one is the score in favor of Roxanne Studio. 6 minutes and 14. Samson spinning to Galaites. Galaites, mid-range J, no good. Rebound, Laifal. Laifal forward pass to JD. JD denied by Echanova. Echanova saves it to Metante. Great defense by Echanova. Metante looking for a teammate. Takes the shot. Jumper is good for Metante. Heads up play for Metante. The lead is 4. 47-43. Life by step up play. Bang! And the lead is 7 for Roxanne Studio. Galaites to Echanova. Echanova. No good in the play. Rebound Samson. Samson to Malbas. Malbas, hesitation move. This is the opening layup is good for Malbas. The lead is 5 for Apsaran Studios. Cameron Totlanyo. He will be fouled by Metante. Metante, second personal foul. First team foul. Sideline throw-in for Rapsaran Studios. Great sportsmanship shown by Metante. Live fire. Working on Andres Sanova. Spin by Tuano. Spinning baseline. Layup is good for live fire. What a move by Jasper live fire. Giving Rapsaran a 7-point lead. Foul on the floor. Foul on number 6. MJ Gamson. Third personal foul, second team foul. Sideline throwing for the Blue Shirts. The lead is 7. Rapsaran Studio. And Chanova, partner on deep. Yes, sir! Booming triple for AJ and Chanova. And the lead is cut down to 4. Liza working on against the defense of Chanova. Hook away! Chanova! Great hands by Chanova. Galaites, strong by Chanova. Siya is good! The lead is cut down to 2. Gamson! Shot! Layup is good for Gamson! The lead is back to 4. 3 minutes and 26 in the last quarter. Rechanova to Malbas. Malbas. Rechanova with the hand short. We're approaching the last 3 minutes of our ball game. Tuano to Gamson. Back to Tuano. Forward press implemented by the Blue Shirts. Yes, just a 4-point lead. 50-54 is the score in favor of Rapsaran Studio. Tuano, bouncing in last. 4 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds to shoot. Tuano with a hit. Hitting out, rebound. Samson. Samson up to the races. Samson drives. He gets fouled. He will go to the line for 2 free throws. Foul number 6. MJ Gamson, 4th personal foul, 3rd team foul. Marvin will shoot 2 free throws. Chance for Route 22 to move closer. The lead is 4. 2 minutes and 31. First free throw is no good for Marvin. Second free throw still no good. Rebound Cameron. 2 misses in the free throw for Marvin. Cameron to Life-Fi. Life-Fi against the defense of the Chanova once again. Posting up. Life-Fi shot no good. Rebound and something Malbas. Malbas up to the ranges with numbers. Malbas drives in and out. Rebound open. Marvin put back to the line. But he will go to the line. Who's called ref? Foul on number 7, Cameron. That's it for the night for Cameron. Steven Cameron, 5th personal foul, fouled out. And warning for penalty for Rapsaran Studios. 2 minutes and 3 seconds left in the final quarter. Once again, Marvin Sampson at the free throw line for Route 22. First free throw is good for Marvin. Cutting the lead to 3. Hold on to your seats. Again, a close game. Second one no good. Lane violation of Marvin. Route 22. Possession, Rapsaran Studios. Rapsaran up by 3. Hold on to your seats. This is playoff basketball. Winner will face Fishbowl in the next week. One man against the Lakers. For the race, forward by Chanova. Forward pass to the second 1-1. 54-53. Ganson. Hounded by Balbas. To Laifay. Laifay. To JD. JD from deep. No good. Rebound. That's the call, right? Foul on the floor before the shot. Foul on number 13, Ritante, third personal foul, second team foul. A minute and 27 left, 1 point game in favor of Rob Serrano Studios. JD, to MJ, MJ denied by Marvin. Rebound Ritante. Ritante, after the bases. Ritante drives, spins, fakes, yes, Marvin on the lead. What a sweet time by Ritante to Marvin. And Root 22, after trailing big time, gets the lead, 55-54. Santos, hounded by the defense of Ritante. Clean by Laifay. Foul on the floor. Foul on number 13, Ritante. Fourth personal foul, third team foul. 4 on Ritante. Ritante, fourth personal foul. Sideline throw-in. 55 seconds left. 1 point lead by Route 22 Travel and Tour. Tuano to Santos. Santos asking for a screen. Screen by Laifay. To Tuano. Tuano from deep. In-and-out rebound by Chanova. 20 seconds differential between shot clock and break clock. Chance for a 2-for-1. 2-for-1 situation for Route 22 Travel Tour. 8 seconds to shoot. Galaitis by Chanova. And Chanova on the in-and-out rebound. Ends up win. One pass. Ends up win. Laifay. Laifay. Shot clock is off. Santos to Laifay. What a shot by Laifay to put Rob Serrano ahead. 56-55. 9.7 seconds left and timeout by Route 22 Travel and Tour. Both teams has 1 timeout left. Both teams 1 timeout left. 9.7 seconds left. Rob Serrano is warning for penalty.
No, fast again.
What a game! Exciting ball games, NFBL playoff basketball. Winner of this ball game will face Swiss Mortgages next week. And loser will be sent home packing. This is playoff basketball. Everybody wants to win. Back to the ball game. Shot clock is off. It's just 9 seconds left. Both teams has 1 timeout left. 1 timeout. Tell the referee, please. Sideline throw in for Route 22.
Look it up.
Last 9 seconds. 9 seconds left. Ritante with the ball. Ritante, even the gun. Even go to the line for 2 free throws. Foul on number 8. Sorry, who's foul? Number 1, Tuano. Tuano, third personal foul penalty. So 2 free throws will be given to Arman Ritante. Chance to tie the ball game or take the lead for Route 22 Travel and Tours. First free throw is good for Ritante. Tying the ball game at 56 apiece. First for back free throws for Arman Ritante. And this one is for the lead for the Blue Shirts. But still, 6.1 seconds left. Plenty of time left. Anything can happen. It's still anybody's ball game. 1 point lead for Route 22. Sideline throwing for Rock Serrano Studios. They down by 1, 56-57. What a game. Rock Serrano out of timeout. JD. Pagkabi mo naman! Timeout. Rock. Timeout. Route 22 Chamberlain Jones. What a play! Pagkabi sneaks in for a big layup. 3 seconds. Three seconds left, Inga. 3 seconds left. Official time, 3 seconds left.
Hey guys, reminder you don't have to game, ha?
No foul to give. 3 seconds left, 3 seconds left. 3 seconds. Hang on, we're just waiting for the clock to reset. 3 seconds left. What a play by the Rock Serrano Studios. Sideline throw in for Route 22. 3 seconds left. Yes. 3 seconds left. Okay, hold into your seats. Last 3 seconds. Galaites. Hechanova for the three.